how to use Amazon Prime voucher codes. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use Amazon Prime's voucher codes. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto their help center and customer service, and what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on payment charges or gift cards, right? And you're going to come over here, problem with a gift card. I'm going to click over here, claim code over here, and I need more help. You can request a call or whatever. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on gifts and cards and registries. And once you're over here, what you want to do is you're going to click on gift cards right here, gift card red, send a gift card. You have a bunch of different options. So use a gift card, click over here, and then they'll tell you to go to redeem a gift card. And then over here, just simply add in your gift card or voucher code, and then just simply click on apply to your balance and make sure you're logged in into your account and added a payment method, because and then it's going to send that balance to your wallet. But if you don't have a payment method, then make sure you add one. So that is how you do it. That is how you add voucher code or gift code into your Amazon account. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.